Hi everyone, today we have a new video in this channel. It's been a long time since I've done a long format video, but I'm gonna start with saying that thank you guys for supporting this channel. I really love you guys. I'm not quitting, don't worry about it. I'm actually gonna show you a couple things that I just got from AliExpress that you might end up liking, and you might you might want to get from AliExpress pretty soon, because they're having an awesome back to school sale in next week. Did I say it right? Yeah, next week, September. No, I already living on September. Sorry, August 17 to 26. They're gonna have a back to school program sale, which is like 20% off in the entire store. But the guys from AliExpress actually gave me some exclusive coupons to share with you guys. But before that, I want to show you what I got, because of course they're gonna send me stuff to show you, so you can actually get hyped and you'll be able to finally make a purchase through AliExpress. Again, thank you for helping me get this video going and get all these items. But let's do a casual unboxing. All right, here we have a lot of things. I already unpacked them. That's why I have them in here in this box. So we're just gonna go over just really quick. I'm not gonna take your time, 6 minutes of your time, hopefully. So the first figure that I got is the, the Ash Well Works. Let me see if I'm able to focus it right here. Yeah, nope. There you go, good. That is a, a blank body. That is actually, you know what? I think this body is that's the one they're gonna use for Mesh Toys Invincible. So yeah, because I already played with it. Don't get me wrong. Like, I already opened it, but I just want to show you the box that I got it from AliExpress. It's really good. They have 3 variants. This is the one that is, I want to get a symbiote custom made out of this one, so that's why I got it black. And yeah, it's really good, really good. The next one I got is another 2 spiders. I have a mesh, talking about Mesh Toys, we have the Scarlet Hero. Let me see if I can focus. Actually, I don't think I opened it yet. Let me see if I can open it. There you go. That's actually, I don't know if this camera can focus it, but look at that thing. It is really good. I feel like this one right here is better than the Mafex and close to the Marble Legends. I think the Marble Legends is the best looking one, but this one can be, actually it's gonna top Marble Legends, because look at that. You have a lot of freaking accessories, plus you have a stand. There you go. And again, I got this from AliExpress. I got it from different sellers. I don't think Mesh Toys has an official store for these kind of items, but I don't think you won't be able to get scammed. I think the only time I got issues was with the Symbiote Spider-Man, which I ended up getting a bootleg. It's crazy, a bootleg out of a bootleg. Wild, but that was about it. The rest was pristine. I never had any issues after that. Then we have another Mesh Toys. This is the Scarlet Neighbor. Neighbor. And let me see if I can focus this. Come on, focus. There you go. There you go. That's actually, and let me get it out of the box so you can actually see it. I have not posted them. I have not done anything with them just yet. Let me see if it's, there you go, right there. Again, it comes with a lot of things, a stand, web shooters. I think he's a villain. I'm not familiar with this guy, but he looks pretty cool so far. And yeah, it comes with a stand as well. Man, I have a lot of things going on here. Very quick. And then we have, we have 52 Toys Ryu from Street Fighter 6. This is actually, I'm actually very skeptical about this figure, because I like the Yamaguchi version and I liked it a lot, but then I saw people reviewing it and people just taking pictures of this guy, and I had to step in. I had to buy it, and I couldn't find it from a seller here in the US, so I ended up buying it from AliExpress as well. So yeah, I can't wait to unbox it. Perhaps I'm gonna start doing long format with some of these items here because some of them are really cool. And I finally, well, I mean, here's the thing. The reason why I stopped doing this kind of things is because I lost my camera and somebody let me borrow their camera just to get this going. But eventually next week, I'm gonna be able to start getting into long format because I bought another camera. Finally have the budget to buy another camera. So there you have it. That's why I haven't done any long format videos. In case you missed it, I mean, I'm not famous for any long formats, but oh well. I mean, then we have the Hash Toys A, and this is actually, it's just the box on this one because I already opened it. I'm actually working on a reel on a short for this one. And this is actually the Beast Gohan head sculptures or hair pieces. And it comes with a nice effect that, you know, it's very iconic for the movie. And yeah, this is really hot right now because I think Tamashii Nations is gonna re-release the Dragon Ball Superhero Gohan, which is, I think, the best Gohan yet. And these things are compatible with that Gohan. So I can, you know, I'm really excited to get my hands on, well, I'm not excited, I already have it. But you might get excited if you never got that Gohan. So stay tuned, I'm gonna share a link with, you know, that Gohan so you can buy it from the stores that I bought from. But this one too, you definitely need to get it right now because I think there's a bit of an issue with Toei and Bandai, and they are actually hunting these guys because, you know, they don't have the license. But yeah, I'll share a link with this one very soon. Next, we have, I'm a fan of DC stuff. I end up getting Hush Batman, and I'm gonna put this thing down here because it's just so much going on. And yeah, this is, I'm a sucker for Batman. He's my third favorite character. I would say that my first one will be I would say Vegeta will be my first character that I like. But then we have Spider-Man, my second, and Batman my third. And this is the Hush version, which is, I don't know if I can have enough lighting to show you, but it's really good. Let me get out of the box. I already got them pretty much. And I'm gonna do unboxings for you guys very soon. Again, I'm just doing it really quick just to show you all the stuff that I got. This thing actually comes with, let me see, I'll get it out of the box because I'm very excited about this guy. It has like soft goods. Let me see if I get there. Soft goods, and let me get in there. There you go. And the cape itself is really good. It has 1, 2, 3, like 8 wires. So it's gonna be super poseable for, you know, with the cape. The only thing I heard about this figure is the fact that it has some issues with the right leg sometimes. Some people have faulty versions where like the leg just comes off or it's just loose. Mine is tight and I had to move it in a specific way for me to actually move it, but it's not broken. So I'm actually, again, I'm very excited about this one. The face plates and everything is superb, and I'm been waiting just to get this guy in my hands to be able to unbox him for you guys. And again, long video formats are coming up soon, and I promise you I'm not gonna disappoint you guys. Because a lot of people have been asking like, hey, you're doing any long content format? It's like, I can't say. I couldn't say it because, you know, I lost my camera, but now I'm back. Let's put this guy back. And again, all this stuff, I got it from Aliexpress. And at this point, you're gonna say, oh, this is a sponsor. Yeah, it isn't sponsored, but you're gonna get good coupons where you can actually gonna be able to save a lot of money. Plus the 20% that they're gonna have in the next 2 weeks, it's gonna be insane. So, but I'm just letting you know that you can actually get, you know, like third party and original stuff from that store, from AliExpress. And I'm gonna put it down here because I couldn't put it back in the box. The other one that I really like is the Hash Toys 2-in-1. This is actually Future Gohan. And this is a different type of color. I know that we had the Gohan that I was like, very like shiny, very like bright. You know what? Let me see if I can have it. I mean, this is the first version of Gohan. See? This is the Gohan that we got from the first release. This version right here is actually the one where it's the colors are muted. It's not the gray and blue. It's actually the same color palette, but it's muted. It's less saturated. And you know, I want to open it for you guys. I haven't opened it. So I'm very excited about this one. I'm not gonna get them out of the box right now because it's just too much accessories. I like the fact that it has so much accessories, and whew, yes, let's do that. And at last we have, I already opened this one, is the My Alien Dad, or you know, what do you call it? Man, I forgot his name. Omni-Man. Jesus. I just want to get this done, so that's why I'm like so excited about it. This is brand new. This is my second copy. And if you're seeing me staring at the left side or the right side of the camera, it's because I have my face here. And I want it just to kind of get this focusing right. And let me see. There you go. Right there. This is brand new. Maybe, you know, I've been thinking of doing a subscription-based type of deal with YouTube, and I might be thinking about starting it with a raffle, perhaps doing this guy, but stay tuned for later. I mean, I really wanna, you know, like, I'm too excited to be back in this long format, so I'm just throwing out there things here and there, so you guys don't care. I got Sigma Studios God Slayer, and it's sealed. I have not opened it. I'm very excited for this one. This is actually one of my favorite video games growing up, you know, PlayStation 2, God of War, Kratos. I heard that they have issues with the arm, not the arm, but the wrist peg, that if you're not careful, you're gonna it's able to break it. So it's very fragile. And they said that you have to heat it up, put it on hot water, blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna see, you know, how this copy turns out. I haven't opened it. Some copies like this came broken already. So if that's the case for my copy, I have plenty of accessories that I can use, or plenty of spare parts that I can use to kind of like, you know, replace that area. I already planned ahead on buying a lot of different wrists for this kind of like figures that have issues with the hand rest, and I'm ready for it. So this is actually my favorite of the whole batch of figures that I got from AliExpress. And again, you want to get the best deals, I would say go next week, find some like good items. They're actually 20% off. And I'm gonna put here or here or here, Axel from the future, the codes, so you can actually save more money. And those codes will be enabled the 17th and be valid until the 26th. So that is the news that I wanted to give you. The fact that you're gonna save a lot of money for, you know, buying figures for back to school. Because I mean, right now the whole thing is like you can take a figure at school and be a bigger pocket figure. So I do agree that, you know, we need more figures for school. But again, you're talking to an older man. I don't go to school anymore, thank God. So but yeah, I'm not gonna make it more longer than what it is. I'm just gonna tell you that well, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting me. And again, the codes are gonna be in display and they're gonna be in my description. So if you wanna copy paste, And please leave in the comments which one would you want me to, you know, like unbox long format first, you know? And just leave in the comments. Just say Kratos, just say Spider-Man, Shin Akuma, Omni-Man, whoever. I mean, I already unboxed Omni-Man, but I can unbox it again, or I can just show you the one that I have open and give you more details about it. I've been thinking about doing a lot more tutorials on how to pose, beginner poses, because you know I'm not as good at some of the stuff people from the internet, like from Instagram. So I'm just giving you my tips, and then you can just, you know, go from there and grow and be able to do better content than me. Okay, well, thank you for watching, for staying this long, and I hope to see you next time. Again, if you like more of this content, please subscribe, like, comment, do all the things that, you know, content creators need to get their channel growing and to make money. All right, stay fresh. I'll see you guys later.